Welcome to Kids Corner. Subscribe for more videos.
Hi everyone, today I am making a earth with an imaginary line. You know what is that? Yes, it is called latitudes and longitudes. So we need to make a drawing book, pencil, eraser, two colors, blue and brown, and this one a circle container. So first we will take one piece and take the circle container in middle and draw. I have drawn the circle. Now I have make a circle. Now I will make the flattening line. This. Now we will first make longitude like this. From here we have to take a curved line, and here also. And one more from here. And one more from this one. Now from this also we have to make a one. Now from here. Now we will make latitudes. First we have to make this wave, and then we will make some circles. And we have to make this latitudes like this only. One more here we can set it. Okay, I've drawn latitudes and longitudes. Let's make the areas in it. So you can make any areas like this. I have made something. Now I will make here something. You can make any area. You can make any like this. I have made. You can make this also here, different also. Area can be also this way or another way also. So I'm making this way. We cannot draw properly the areas. So you know how to draw properly your areas, you can draw. Now I will color this part with a brown. We have to take this Pokemon crayons color, wax crayons, that it will light some, so it will look nice. And you have to you have to do outside of this area. So first I will complete the first one. And this line is called the equator. Middle line is called equator. Okay. And equator is also called a great circle. Now next part. I will color the third part. Third part of area. Now I will color fourth part. Some third part is not. Now I will color the third part. So I've done completing this part also. Now I will complete the blue part, that is water. Now I'm completing the water part. And you can make this easily from the home products. Done the coloring. Let's draw some more. Not more, we will write something. So here